welcome to this week's video. I'm by myself this week. Craig's had the week off, so
Drink alone.
yeah. Anyway, quick video this week. Obviously, with Craig being off, I haven't done a lot. So there's a whole bunch of stuff on the table there that I've sanded and polished. Well, not sanded, but it's all ready to paint. So I've done that. On the extended cab pickup here, I've fitted the throttle pedal, throttle cable, kick down. Just did a few little jobs like that. I think door handles. I can't remember. They might have been last week. But anyway, that was that. So I sort of spent most of the week doing that, and then we had some orders come in, that sort of thing. One of the other things I also did this week is the opportunity was given to us to, well, we heard that Voodoo Blue, the little roadster that I'll put there, came up for sale. Like the guy that's got it now decided he wanted out of it. A friend of a friend told us. I definitely contemplated it. Like, my heart was going, yeah, let's buy it back. And Craig was really keen. But I don't know if a roadster's the smartest thing for me. A couple of years ago, I had a bunch of skin cancer cut out. I've got no hair, and I get sunburnt really badly. So my wife was like, really? Do you really need it? So, well, what I did, I put an ad on our Facebook page and said, look, if anyone's interested, the car's going to come up for sale. Thoughts? And I've basically brokered that deal. So I talked to Pete, the guy that has the car now. Super nice guy, fantastic. We were like best mates by the time I'd made 4 phone calls with him. And the guy that's got it now is going to, basically it'll be seen again. It'll be back out and about. Pete, not that he didn't like the car or anything like that, but he bought it and then changed the life circumstances. He just never used it. So he bought another car and whatever. He's decided to sell it. This guy that we know has bought it. It needs a few little bits and pieces tidied up, but he'll get those done and it'll be seen out and about, probably back in Western Australia. So it'll be good to see that again. Now for this weekend, there is a few car events. So obviously normally Saturday morning, you can go up to the West Coast Club Rooms, West Coast Hot Rod Club Rooms up in Cusack Road, Malaga. Every Saturday you can go there. I think it's $5 or $10 and you get a bacon egg roll and some average coffee. Sunday, there's a couple of big events. So you've got the Steel Bumper Car Cruise show, which is at the Chidley Tavern at 10 o'clock. I don't know if it's just situated at the tavern or if there is a cruise, but that's where it starts. The other one is the Low West, which is a bunch of guys who are mainly pitching at anything like lowrider, anything that's bagged, mini trucks that are really low, anything that's super low is the idea. I'm going to take the Barracuda, which isn't particularly low, but I'll park it out on the side, whatever it is. But I want to go and check out all the lowrider stuff. I don't know if it's a good idea because then I get there and we're like, yeah, let's fit wires to the Barracuda, or let's go out and buy the car that Rolly's got. Rolly, a friend of ours, has got a 77 Oldsmobile coupe. I keep seeing it, and I keep thinking I want it. Do I need it? Anyway, you know how it works, project cars and by having too many. So that's about it, really. Just a quick update on what's happening. Next week, we'll get a bunch more done on this, more wiring. We've done a little bit of work on the DeLorean. We've ordered a whole bunch of exhaust stuff. So maybe we'll start doing the exhaust next week. It'll all just come down to it. And the Coupe Ute, the panel beater, I just went around there and had a quick look. It's basically, the body is just about ready for colour. He's only got the front guards and the rear guards, and I reckon then he'll be coming to us and going, right, what colour are we painting this thing? So that's moving along well. And the guys from Bolter Brewing, I sent them a video and said, look, we did a review of Cervosa, and they actually watched the video. I think they thought we were idiots. I'm still waiting on this sponsorship deal. Maybe they've got lost an email or something. Fingers crossed. Anyway, hope you're enjoying the videos. Oh, and I'll put a video up. I'll probably go to Low West. So there'll be an event coverage video on Sunday. Have a good weekend.